In this video, I'll show you how to add Santa hat to photo. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Ensure you check this video description. I'll be attaching the link to this site in the video description. So once you're logged into the site, you'd click on this choose photo, select image. You'd go and pick the image you want to add the Santa hat to, right? So I'm going to pick our channel picture, our channel profile picture. I'll click on it, click on open. I'll wait for this to load. Yeah, I'll click on next. Loading image, it may take a few seconds depending on the size. So we are going to wait for few seconds for this to come out, right? So this is gradually loading, so we'll wait for a few seconds. So our profile picture has appeared. So what we're going to do now, we are going to pick any hat from here. Let's say we're going to use this, right? So you'll come on here, you'd adjust it to the very size you want. I'll reduce this more. Or I can select, I can pick this, right? Yeah, so I just adjusted the Santa hat to this our profile picture, to this our brand picture, that is the HowTo do. So once I'm done with this, you're gonna adjust everything. Like you're gonna select the hat you want. You can select this, any of these you wanna select. Then once you're done, you click on this download image, right? So the system is creating your design. It may take a few seconds. Thank you. So yeah, this is our image. I'll come on here, click on save as. I would say how to do Christmas. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'll click on save right here. So we just downloaded it. I'm gonna refresh this right now. Exactly. So this is basically how you can add Santa hat to photo. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.